Welcome. Here's Lift and Leaders, the podcast by Interlift, where we talk to people shaping the future of vertical mobility. And my guest today is someone who knows the elevator market from inside out, I would say. He's working in this industry for more than 20 years. And we welcome the managing director of Hydroware. Here's David Wallen. Hi, David. How are you?
Hello, I'm very fine. How are you?
Yeah, good. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thank you for inviting me to the podcast. Very exciting for me to be here at the Interlift. And yeah.
Yeah. You know, Lift and Leaders is about the people who shape the industry.
Yeah.
And so it is interesting to talk to you. So what led you into the lift industry? Who are you? Let us know more about you.
That's a very interesting question. I started an apprenticeship with Schindler in 2003 as a mechatronic and worked there as a new installation technician for about 9 years. Then switched to a supervising job in Schindler and then switched a couple of years later into sales for new installations with Schindler and did that about 4 years. And I changed the company in 2017 to Kone. Was at Kone for a couple of years as a sales director. Then went to TKE as a regional manager between Cologne and Düsseldorf. And got out of TKE and went then to CIDIS as an international key account manager. I did everything in EMEA besides the DACH region. And last year I was asked to become the new managing director of Hydroware in the DACH region. And so I decided for that. I decided for Hydroware, not against CIDIS, I can say that. Since March I'm the managing director for the DACH region with my team here, and it's very nice. I'm pretty happy to be there.
Wow! Congratulations to your new role.
Thank you.
So you started literally on site, if I understood right, as a technician.
Right.
So installing the new lifts, and since then you have held leadership roles.
Yeah.
Also in sales and management. And I think you know anything. So what are the key experiences that shaped you?
My key experience that shaped me was really building the new elevators back then. Like in the beginning of the 2005, 6, 7, we had great building sites where we had elevators. They were small, they were big, they were heavy, they were light, they were everything around that. And what I really liked was the phase one in building the elevator with the guiding rails and the doors. And this is also, I think, still the heart and the soul of the elevator. Electronics, everybody can do electronics, but I can say the heart and the soul of the elevator is always the guiding rails and the doors.
Mm-hmm. And when you enter an elevator, when you just go up or down, can you relax, or you have to analyze anything or listen to the noises?
I just always say I get in there, I see, smell, feel, touch, whatever it takes to recognize everything in the elevator. It's like the sickness of this industry, I can say. You get in there and then you really want to look out what it is, which brand it is, how the ride is. And also all my family, friends, and everybody that I know sent me pictures from elevators around the world. I saw this, David. Yeah, maybe you want to see that. So I'm influencing them a lot about the elevators.
Yeah, sure. So what is keeping you passionate about this industry for so long that you stick there?
Yeah, I got stuck in the elevator, I can say. It's about the technology is changing a lot, and also the industry. It's a very small family, I can say, that is around here. And you can see that today on the Interlift. I know hundreds of people, and they're all visiting our booth and coming by and just also saying hello. They're my customers, they're my friends, they're my family. This is around that, and I feel like I'm a professional in this industry, and it's where my home is. Mm-hmm. So this is where I got stuck.
Mm-hmm. And you just mentioned that the technology changed a lot. So what really impressed you? What would you say is changed in so many ways?
It's the microcontrollers that really started beginning in the early 2000s, that really entered the market with the machine roomless elevators. That changed a lot the whole industry, I can say. And what I like about it is that every time you go to the Interlift or you go to other fairs and exhibitions, there is something new, something that is really nice for like electronic activated safety gears came up now, or like we doing with Hydroware the modernization kits for all those MRL elevators, because they're getting in certain kind of age, and they have all displays now. They go into an AI, they go into a cloud, and so on. So this is really the technology-driven industry. Yeah.
What would you say sets Hydroware apart from others?
It's a very good question. I say that you have a team you can call and have a real support behind that. My team in the DACH region, but also the Swiss guys, the people that we have in Benelux, in UK, and also especially in Sweden, are very, very supportive and very, very helpful. We want to have a customer with success. We say always, we build forever. We have a very, very high quality and a very good support behind that. Absolutely. And besides that, absolutely our technology. Yeah, can say that 10-inch touch display we have on our H2 units. This is just magical for a technician, because all know we are all lack of guys and girls that go to the elevator and that knows how to operate. And from my perspective, the technicians aren't getting better or more at this point. And so we always try to make it as easy as possible to operate, to make service, to get the notified body certification, and so on and so on.
You just mentioned that working with a team, with the people behind Hydroware, really is that what really is passionate for you. So what kind of leadership philosophy do you bring into your new role? In the pre-talk, you just mentioned you were a football player as well. So is it kind of, how do you play the game in the company?
It's like, I was involved in American football since I was 12 years old, and I've had many stages, and also been a team captain. And what I learned there is that you have to find a way to work and win with your team. And it doesn't matter if the person you're working with is dumb or most intelligent, is slow, is fast, is tall, is small, is whatever, you have to find a way to work and be successful and win with the team. And I feel that in Hydroware really. And my leadership style is really being in the team. I'm not a guy that locks in his office and closes the door. I'm always open, I'm always available. I sit with my team in the same office space. So I really like that, to be there. And for me, it feels like a family and really a success-driven team.
How do you balance the Swedish tradition or Swedish innovation, where Hydroware comes from, with the, let's say, German precision, or precision in the DACH region as well, or the cultural precision in your company culture? Or is there any difference or no?
I'd say there are some differences, but all of them have very high standards. And this is what I like: how to treat people, especially how to say we want to have a quality solution, not only a product. We are not a supplier, we are a partner, and this is the values of our company, at the heart of the company, I can say. And so that doesn't differ too much around in Sweden or Germany, or also in Benelux or UK.
Do you think other industries could learn from the lift industry? So with innovation, precision, reliability, or don't know, anything?
Good question. I never thought about that, but I know that we can learn from other industries, absolutely. Like the building industry, or also like the car industry, where there's a lot of precision and a lot of technology. And I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
So you were officially stepping into your new position in March,
yes,
you mentioned. So what are your first priorities or goals you have for Hydroware within the next year?
Okay, I had a plan for the first month. I had a plan for the first 100 days. I had a plan for the first 6 months.
Wow, cool.
And if you step into your role, you still have to find your way through. Look at the people, get to know each other, spend time, listen, really listen, take notes, and then after a while start changing processes, changing positions, changing people maybe. got more people in. Fortunately, we got more people in, and yeah. But I also made up that I wasn't always strict going that line that I planned. So now is the time, after like 6 months, going back, sit down, have the next plan, what we're doing for the next 3 months, end of the year, and then 2026 ongoing. So I have to sit back again and check what I did, what I don't, and get back to the plan, I'd say.
So is there any project, challenge that excites you the most, actually?
Yes.
Yes. What is it?
It's our machine roomless elevator. This is the project I wanna push very hard. We have modernization kits for those MRL elevators from all the big OEMs, can say, and we feel also on our booth that this is taking the most interest from our customers. And I just had a meeting before I came here, and the customer said we put in the mod kit, and he was so excited and so satisfied with it. It just gives me goosebumps when I speak about it. So I'm so passionate about this, and I think this is the future of hardware. Besides our very good hydraulics we built, that we have a perfect #1 product for this industry to replace the controllers in the MRLs.
So David, lifts exists for over about 130 years.
50 years.
For
now,
150 even. Oh my God.
It's 1872, 4, something. Yeah.
Okay, they were very mechanic. Then there came more electricity.
Yeah.
Right now it's more digitalization. They're getting smarter. But they didn't change a lot. They just stayed. A lift is a lift, and it is a lift.
Yeah.
When you look into the future, in the year 2045, do you think the industry will change a lot? Because I mean, society is changing, the way we work, the way we think, the way we move, the way we're getting older. Do you think the lift industry will also have a significant change in any way?
I think the lift itself will not change too much. The last big innovation came in 1998 when Kone put in the monospace machine roomless elevator. This was a major change for the industry, but I don't see such a change. Maybe there will come. I will be surprised, but at this point I don't see that. There are projects like the multi from TKE, but this is for me like very very far in the future still. I saw that product. It's a great solution. It's a great idea, and somebody has to drive that, and somebody has to say I do it now, and I really put money in it, put people in, and drive that. But the major change I see is really like the technology or like data-based maintenance we're looking at, like AI, or everybody's asking if we can do the service like from my computer via the Hydro Cloud, maybe our cloud solution. And this is what going to change. So I think especially in Germany, we are going back from I go to a black box 4 times a year to I check the elevator 24/7 on the cloud solution, and then go there when it's needed to have just a great capability of that. Yeah.
So if a young technician, a young David is listening today, what advice would you give to him, her? Yeah, what?
Do it the same way I did it.
Okay.
Just do it.
Learn it, do it.
Do it, and never stop asking for more. Really never stop asking for more, because there is more, especially in lift industry. There are a lot of people that didn't go to university. I didn't either, but obviously managing director position, and this is just because it's maybe about the industry that you can move to certain positions because you gain a lot of knowledge, and you might sometimes at the right place in the right time. And I think all this work that I put in the last more than 20 years makes out the success. And I would say to the young David, just maybe do more.
Even? Oh.
Yeah.
How? If you had to describe this industry in 3 words, what would it be?
Sustainable, family, and technology.
I like that a lot. So thank you very much for joining us here in this Lift and Leaders podcast. David Wallen, great story. and love to hear more of you within the next years. Thank you for joining us, and thanks for listening to
Thank you
our
very much.
listeners. Thank you.
Enjoy the podcast.